Hi, welcome to today's class. Look at this simple exponential challenge. The question is 3 to the power of x equal to 7. How do we solve for the value of x here? If you check this carefully, with simple logic, you can tell the answer to this. Yeah, we know that 3 to the power of 0 is equal to 1 because anything to the power of 0 is equal to 1 except 0 itself. So if we go to the power of 1, this will give us positive 3. And we increase it to 2, this will give us 3 to the power of 2, this is 9. And what we have on the right-hand side of the equation is just 7. So we are having between 3 and 7. Because here we have 1 year, we have 2 year. And so if between year and year, that's where lies our 7. Okay, this is where our 7 lies, right? So if our 7 is between year and year, and on the power we have between 1 and 2, so we are expected to have our answer between 1 point whatever, because it cannot get to 2. Okay, so it will give us 1 and some fractions there. So how we get this is simple. So we take our solution here. All we just have to do here is 6. We just have to log both sides of the equation. Either take ln to base e or log base 10. So let's take our log 3 to the power of x is equal to log our 7. This is to base 10, this is to base 10. Again, if we decide to take it to base e, it's going to give us the same answer. Okay, so from here we apply the law of logarithm, which says that if you have your log, your x to the power, okay, let's use a different alphabet, log a to the power of p, said to move this way to give us our p times our log a. So we are moving this x back here to give us our x times log our 3 base 10 equals to log 7 base 10. So divide by log our 3 base 10, equally divide this by log 3 base 10. So from here, what happened? This leaves. So we now have our x is equals to log our 7 base 10 all over log our 3 base 10. Also, now we can apply the change of base rule to this. So the law says if you have your log, your a base, your b, and we change it to, let's say, base k, this is going to give us our log a base k, all over log our b base k, where k is the new base, right? Okay, so we can apply that here to give us, therefore rs is equal to our log, we are changing from base 10 here now to base 3, so we're going to have here 7 base 3. So this is the value of our x that satisfy this equation. Now, if you plug this into your calculator, this is going to give you 1.77 and some fractions, right? Good. But for us to confirm if this is actually correct, this is straightforward. This will give us a better format of the confirmation, although we can equally use this too, okay? But this will give us a better a format of the check here. So our question is 3 to the power of x equals to 7. So we're going to have 3 to the power of our log 7 base 3 equals to 7. So according to the law of logarithm, we say that if you have your a to the power of log, let's take k, okay, power of log k base a, this a will go with this log here. So we'll now be left with our k. So with this, what happened, we're having here 3 to the power of log 7 base k, base 3. And so this will leave. So we're going to have 7 is equals to 7. So this is simple maths. All right. So just to keep ourselves abreast of what is happening in the world of mathematics. See you in our next class. Bye for now.